VIVITE Night Renewal Facial Cream. VIVIT Night Renewal Facial Cream. VIVIT Night Renewal Facial Cream is an extra-rich formulation that helps promote overnight maintenance and aids in the repair of the skin. Contains 20% glycolic compound. To be used once daily, in the evening. The Face Shop Rice Water Bright Cleansing Cream. The Face Shop Rice Water Bright Cleansing Cream 200 ml. Good items. Acure Organics Anti-Aging Natural Day and Night Face Cream. Acure Organics Anti-Aging Natural Day and Night Face Cream with Argan Oil Bundle. Evermarket 15 Colors Contour Face Cream Makeup Concealer Palette. I am just learning how to contour and have been using a powder contouring palette. I wasn't happy with what I was using, so I went out to find a new palette and came across this one with the cream contouring colors. I am in love with it. The cream is so much easier to blend than the powder and seems to last throughout the day better than what I was using before. I like the different colors and I've been having fun using them for various highlighting techniques. The only bad thing about this palette is that there really isn't a lot of cream in each pen and it took about a month for me to receive it. Other than that, it's great, especially for the price. I received this at a discounted price in exchange for my honest review. Delancey 10 Colors Cream Concealer Contour Palette Pro Face. A good full coverage concealer is hard to find. I was so happy to find this fabulous palette and discover that it is an amazing quality product for a great price. The palette is heavy and full of product. The quality is evident from the moment you feel how heavy it is. The hard plastic case makes it sturdy and easy to care for. I love that it is such a variety of color, 10 to be exact. Due to the great variety of colors, people of almost all skin tones can use it. There is a lot of concealer in each pen and it is so pigmented, a little goes a long way. There is a huge mirror on the lid that makes it easier to apply. It comes with an amazing concealer brush that gets in all the small crevices like under the eyes and around the nose beautifully. The colors blend well so you can use a couple different colors to get your exact match. The concealer dries after a minute or two but doesn't dry out your skin. It doesn't feel heavy or cakey on your skin but is lightweight and comfortable. I used a beauty blender to give it a smooth and flawless look. I have acne and redness and the lighter shades cover it completely. I also have wrinkles and the concealer doesn't settle into cracks and creases. It is just such a creamy and wonderful texture. I also loved experimenting with the darker colors and using them for contour. I put it on before work and my makeup stays put all day until I get home. I am so happy with my purchase and would recommend. I purchased this product at a discounted price in exchange for my honest review. Soon Pure Red Ginseng Snail Face Cream 60g. Over the past year, I have become a beauty junkie with creams and lotions. Anything to make us look younger, right? I was intrigued after reading about red ginseng and snail-based products, so I had to give the Soon Pure Red Ginseng Snail Face Cream a try. The cream comes in a jar-type container. The cream is very creamy and moisturizing. I was kind of worried that it would be too creamy for my skin because my skin tends to be on the oily side. To remedy this problem, I have used the product sparingly when applying. This product would be great for very dry skin. It's very hydrating and moisturizing. I have mainly been using the product at night to get the most out of the moisturizer effects of the cream. I will say the product left my skin feeling just a little oily to the touch after applying. But when I wake up in the morning, my face is so soft and no longer has that oily feel. It's really helped some dry patches around my nose. Again, I was kind of concerned that the cream would cause breakouts in my oily areas because it's so creamy, but so far no breakouts. I would suggest if you have oily skin to use a small amount when applying. The cream is very lightly scented and pleasant. I have also been applying the product to the back of my hands because they tend to get really dry. If you are looking for a product to get rid of extremely dry skin, this facial cream would be perfect to get your skin back on track. I did receive this product at a discount for review. This is my opinion based on my experience with the product.